Today, I will be showing you how to use both the random triggers in Geometry Dash. Let's get right into it. We'll first start with the random trigger. This one's actually super simple. All you need to do is insert two group IDs from two sets of triggers and use this slider to randomize the chances. This slider actually affects the first group ID and gives whatever's left over to the other. For example, if you put the slider to 80%, the first group ID will get 80% and the second will get 20. Now let's move on to the advanced random trigger. Although the name says advanced, usually meaning complex, this one's actually just as easy. You put the group ID of the trigger or triggers that you want to randomly activate and then give them a random chance. You can actually have more than two group IDs here, which is really cool. Also, I really want to point out the fact that the advanced random trigger can hold up to 20 group IDs, and instead of doing the neat thing that the spawn trigger does, which is shrink the buttons, it just does this monstrosity. You can use random triggers on other random triggers. If you set up multiple spawn points, the game will randomly choose one every attempt. Same goes when setting up multiple teleport spawn points. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Goodbye.